Mustafizur Rahman will not be playing IPL. I feel really sorry for him because I can understand for a player like Mustafiz, a cricketer coming from a very lower middle class family, 9 crores, almost $1 million is a really good amount of money. I can imagine how happy he was and his family was when they have heard about that deal. Also, he could have learned a lot of things playing that tournament, that also an opportunity that he has missed. We have been seeing this for years with Pakistani cricketers. They are not been allowed to play IPL. And now it seems from now on, no Bangladeshi cricketer will be having a chance to play IPL. And the Indian Cricket Board is doing this because IPL is a huge thing. Compared to IPL, PSL and BPL is nothing. And that's why they can do this, because it will be a bigger loss for us than them. However, it will be a big loss for IPL also. When Mustafiz would be playing, all of the cricket friends from Bangladesh would be watching IPL. Now no one would be watching IPL. So IPL has lost 170 million people of market with that decision. Congratulations to them. But as a Bangladeshi, I want that we need to support our cricketers. And if you are a Pakistani watching my video, you would be thinking same as I am thinking from Bangladesh. So can we actually tackle this issue or make at least our position a little better if we work together? What I mean, BCB and PCB, Bangladesh Cricket Board and Pakistani Cricket Board. I would like to give you an idea how we can do this. And if you like this idea, I would urge you to share this video to people that maybe it goes and reach to our cricket boards and they could also think about this. So economically, if we think, IPL is huge. It generates more than $1 billion a year, I think, from every season, and the valuation of that league almost $18 billion. Compared to this, BPL and PSL are very, very low. And the only reason IPL is so valuable because IPL has got huge bunch of audience, especially the Indian audience, almost 1.5 billion people in India, and all the other neighboring countries in South Asia, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, not Bhutan, but Afghanistan, they all watch IPL. And that is the reason IPL is so popular and so powerful and generating a lot of value for India and Indian Cricket Board. If we look compared to India, 1.5 billion of people in Pakistan, 240 million in Bangladesh, 170 million people. It's a huge difference in terms of audience or viewers who basically brings value to a tournament like IPL or BPL or PSL. So one thing, if we can combine both our cricket boards or leagues, Bangladesh and Pakistani Cricket League, then at least we'll be bringing audience from Bangladesh and Pakistan together. So that means in BPL, the audience viewers from 170 million, it will reach 410 million. And for Pakistan, from 240 to 410 million. So it will be a huge addition for both of the cricket boards. I would like to give you a plan how we can do this. So we can make it in a way that every single team in BPL and in PSL has to go with 3 players from other country. What I mean is that, for example, a team in BPL, in that team, there could be 5 Bangladeshi players and there has to be 3 Pakistani players. So that is mandatory. 5 Bangladeshi and 3 Pakistani. For a team in PSL, it's same, 5 Pakistani and 3 Bangladeshi players. It has to be mandatory. So what would happen if 6 teams there, in every day, there will be 6 Bangladeshi players playing in PSL. In BPL, 6 Pakistani players will be playing BPL every day. And in total, if you look at the whole tournament, there will be at least 40-50 Bangladeshi players will be playing PSL and 40-50 Pakistani players will be playing BPL. And that basically would encourage the audience from both countries to watch that other league. So that is like from outside, from our, like just a simple mathematics, that if we are doing this, if 3 Bangladeshi players in one team, 3 Bangladeshi players in another team, 6 players playing PSL in one match, there would be a player whom I like, admire, and I would like to watch that player. And almost whole of Bangladeshi people will be watching that tournament. Okay. Now, I don't know, it's maybe 2% people are watching PSL. But on that sense, 100% of them will be watching just in normal mathematics. And if we can also market this well, both our cricket board, our government can market this very well, then we will be even come closer. We'll feel like when there will be PSL, we'll be feeling like it's BPL. When it will be BPL, Pakistani people will be thinking it's like PSL. So on that sense, the audience will be increased, right? The viewership will be increased, money will come, brands from both countries will come to sponsor tournaments, and one another thing will happen. So if we are taking these two tournaments, and if we are bringing 410 million people to watch BPL and 410 million people to watch PSL, then in total every year we are getting 820 million people watching this both tournament, and that's a huge addition. And the most important thing is that our players actually comes from middle class, lower middle class families. They will be having that chance of earning a little extra money, of little extra experience, and that will help cricket in our both countries. And in long term, that will not only help cricket in our both countries, but other relationship in our both countries. So that will be a huge bridge for us to grow together. This partnership will be going or expanding from cricket to defense to business to trade to tourism and so and so. So it will be just increasing from now on. As a Bangladeshi, I'm really concerned about our security these days. I think when a Congress government will come in India, the situation would be much better than this RSS government. And I do not see they are going away in next 50 years. And that is the reason we need a defense partner like Pakistan. They can attack us any day. They are nuclear armed. They have better equipment. They are one of the best militaries in the world compared to Bangladesh. Their budget is much higher than us. And that is why we need a partner like Pakistan. We need a partner like China, but I think Pakistan would be the country really helping us. So I just want to keep it on cricket for today. So how as an audience you would think about this, let me know in the comment box below. I think it's a nice idea. It will be a huge addition to our cricket, and in years this will be going like hell. Like these tournaments, BPL and PSL maybe won't be as big as IPL, but still it will be enough to give our audience a better tournament to watch, and at least our players in our audience will be feeling, okay, you have IPL, we have BPL. Yeah, it's a little small, but still okay. And by the way, if we can make this and bring money to the market, the every single player, like the best player around the world are playing IPL. That's why IPL is getting so popular. They will be interested in playing BPL and PSL. And if both the boards are working together, more ideas are generating, more stars will be engaging with each other. Overall, it will be grow twice, thrice as speed as it will be growing now without combining. So in return to India, what they have done with us, we can blame them for this. We can't blame them. We don't care about them. Anything we can. But eventually, we have to think how we can make ours better. That could be a way that might help us to make our tournaments better. So I'd like to ask you people that if you have liked this idea, please like this video. That will help this video to grow. Comment your thoughts and also share this video if you like and you think it will be working, or it's an idea at least we should discuss from now on. Please share this video and let this video reach to the people who are in control, who can start thinking of this. And I think everyone now in Bangladesh and Pakistan are thinking on the same direction, that we have to come closer. By the way, I want to make it clear that I am not a hater of India, but I think the situation in India right now, where it's better for us to start thinking in a different direction unless things get changed in India. And that's what I'm not seeing in next 50 years at least. And that is why we really have to work on the agenda that would make sure our prosperity and our safety. Thank you for watching this video, and do not forget to share this video.